Just a little note, bro, in case your legs start feeling lump. But that's the vibe, but yo, it's comfortable, no?
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So me and Aurora is gonna go for a bit of a trip. We're gonna pick up JDM pot. Yeah, I'm a bit nervous, but yeah, I will take you with and then we see how it goes. Let's hope all works out, otherwise this video won't be made. But anyways, I might not reveal it there, but when I get back home I will show you what it looks like and then maybe install it. So check you later. I picked up the thing from the guy. I wasn't sure if he wanted to record or be on video, so I didn't take any video. So yeah, I will remove it from the car and then you can see what we got. So as you can see, we managed to get two bride seats. So yeah, I'm going to try to install it. Let's show you my old seat. So this is the old seat that I got with the car. As you can see, it's starting to tear here and here, and this material, this leather, I don't think it's leather. It is horrible on hot days and on cold days. So let's look at the condition of the seat. So not too bad actually, I don't see any issues. And then I don't know if you can see over here, but it says made in Japan. Can you check this one? Yeah, so spread made in Japan. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so let's see if I can fit this one in. Ziyaad, as you can see there on the sweater, and your company is called
Immacu-Clean.
And what do you guys do?
We do deep cleaning of carpets, mattresses, full interior, roof lining and everything like that. Engine bays and things like that.
And that comes now with this heavy duty vacuum
yes.
slash, I don't know.
Carpet cleaning machines and upholstery machines. And yeah.
Okay. And you guys are mobile also, as you can see. Yes. The guys did come out to my house.
Yes, we do call outs, yes.
Yeah. And your working times? Because I know you guys do have like day jobs also, I think.
Yes, so we do it weekends and maybe in the evenings if the customer is wanting to do it immediately.
Okay.
But mostly on weekends.
Okay. Okay, so we will attach the details down below. And you can follow or you can message them. Just turn around quick. Immacu-Clean.
On Facebook, Instagram, and yeah.
Okay. Okay, shut.
Thanks, man.
Alright guys, so we're just busy removing the seat. And we're busy, we bolt up the rails quickly. Try to maneuver it somehow. On the brie days, did you say braai?
I said bride, yeah.
It's brie days, guys. It's Japanese name. Oh, how long are these bolts in here, bro?
Oh.
These are from those forever bolts.
Yeah. I took the seats out actually when I first.
I see it's loose at the back.
Yeah, actually one of the bolts.
One of the bolts.
One
Did
of the
it
bolts
break?
broke. Yeah, it broke in there.
In there.
Yeah.
So it's floating around in there.
No, the thread is like in. So the reason why I didn't fit it the first time when I got it was because the seats smelled like dog. The seats were left outside and yeah, so it didn't smell too nice. I didn't want to put it in the car. And plus I need to figure out how to mount the seats. So then I got Ziyaad and his team to clean it, as you saw previously. Of the birthday seats can go, well, not this far forward, but I mean forward enough for me to sit because I don't have the longest legs. The OEM seat versus the racing seat. This seat is going to be Riyad's seat. Depends if he wants to use it in this car or this car.
We just need to, we're still gonna play around and figure out how, because it's a passenger seat.
Yeah.
So we still need to figure out how we can swap this over there. But if it's going in that car, it wouldn't really matter. I wouldn't care what side it's on.
Yeah, as long as it can go back and forward.
And this, well, I'll probably leave that there because we're gonna run harnesses.
Yeah. This, you can feel the weight difference in the seats.
Oh, it's a hell of a difference.
Yeah, this seat's a lot lighter.
So we're busy playing around with the brackets that was made to get the seats to fit in there properly. We got 3 of them fine. With a lot of adjusting, we'll show you guys later what we actually mean. So we have one of the brackets still, so we're going to try and slot this bracket now so that we can maneuver it properly into place. But yeah, it's a lot of playing around. Okay, and we got the seats fitted. So I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you guys the MacGyver that we made. I'm not too sure if you can see so well there, but basically what we had to do is, it was cut-offs of the old mounting brackets, right? The old rails. So those were cut off and then mated to the original rails of the bucket seat. Yeah, so as you can see, a little metal piece was then made as an extension to fit in over there. And we did the same over here. Yeah, this is a better view. So we still need to sort this one out here at the back because there was a bolt in there that was pretty much broken off, right? So that still needs to come off. Then we align that. We got it aligned on that end over there, and the same on the front. So just in case you guys want to know how to mount your bucket seats, but yeah,
It's not the best way.
yeah, but it's in there, brother.
Yeah, no, you get like proper rails for this.
Yeah.
You mount it on.
Yeah.
But I mean, obviously we don't have the money for that.
So we're just making do with what we got, and I mean it works perfectly fine. I just grab myself a seat. Let's feel. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Yeah, you feel like a planted in it, no? Let's feel how. Yeah. So with bucket seats, something I noted in the past. I'm gonna tell you now beforehand, brother. So when I was dealing with bucket seats back in the day, bucket seats they lift up a bit here. You can see here, but the edges they tend, because you're supposed to be in this kind of stance, in like a racing stance. So just a little note, bro, in case your legs start feeling lump. But that's the vibe. But yo, it's comfortable, no? it feels so comfortable, guys.
If you're wondering,
And it's sturdy. It's sturdy in there. So everything worked perfectly fine. Let me give you guys another look right there. Yeah, bruh, getting out is weird. Because you're low to the ground. The car's already low. And now even lower to the ground. But there it is, guys. I'd say a job well done. Very nice find, by the way, Shamil. Very, very nice find.
So as mentioned before, yeah, so we'll be getting the other seat. We're gonna just figure out how we can change over the stuff. We can. And then, yeah.
But I think we're gonna need to get an extra set of rails again so we can cut that up for the ballad again. So I think they're probably different.
Yeah, it's the same.
Is it the same?
I think it should be the same.
Legend.
But the thing is, we don't have all the rails anyway, so we're gonna need a set
we're gonna need a set. Yeah, guys, hit us up if you have an extra set that you wanna sell. But yeah, it looks so sick, bro. Let's close it. That looks so nice. We can get the frontal view there. Nah. Legendary. So another reason why Shamil is also wanting to run also just one is it's a Civic. He needs a seat that can move forward so he can get passengers in the rear.
Yeah.
And I don't think this moves forward enough.
No.
It won't. Nice find, bro.
Shut.
Very nice. This guy was hunting for like months already.
Yeah.
Every time he sends me a photo or a link and it's like this one. And I first have to give my commentary.
Look, a lot of the ones that I found wasn't name brands, but that wasn't what I was after. I was after a seat that wasn't leather. Because the seats are, well, not the original seats, but the seats is in here now.
Yeah.
It's horrible on hot days.
Yo,
it's hot on hot days, and it's cold on cold days.
Yeah.
And you slide around when you're taking corners. So I wanted something that...
Yeah, Honda seats are very under-supported, no?
Yeah.
Very, very under-supported.
So, yeah, I wanted something that was a lot more comfortable. It holds you in place when you're driving, you know. So yeah, I'm very happy with this find.
So I'm glad you waited also, bro.
Yeah.
Because I mean now you got a set of breeders.
Well, I got one. You got the other one.
Oh yeah.
But I'm excited to fit it into whichever car you decide to put it in.
Yeah, we will decide later. So Shamis is busy fixing the seatbelt. Guys, don't forget you need to change over your seatbelt from your original, otherwise it ain't gonna work.
Welcome to E-News.
Atakashi E-News.
So yeah, we're gonna call it gonna cut off the vlog here.
Yeah.
We are at Dudes getting the cars washed. Riaz is doing all the cinematics. We've got Abdul Malik here. We got Dudes.
Yeah, so the
part
blue
2.
car that you saw, the blue EG, standing here behind me. Actually Abdul Malik's new car. This guy is chopping and changing cars all the time. So, but I mean, it's very nice. So, you resprayed it recently? Must just still go in for a polish, but I mean, this guy just buys a car and then the next week it's again fresh. And then it's for sale the next week again. But, yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna call it the end here. You have any words here?
Nothing today. I'm just the eat of King's Burgers.
Yeah,
Thanks to you, Shamil, for buying me the burger. I appreciate it. And thanks to Lightly Salted for always pitching up. I appreciate it in every way possible. And the great support from Malik and Riyadh.
Must be.
So, yeah.
Oh, here's another.
Who's this?
Here's another dude here.
What is this?
Spot two.
At the same place.
Yeah. The two ones.
What about this?
Now we're doing a closer to the vlog.
For what?
Just say bye. For the vlog, maybe for what? That's all.
But anyways, guys, we'll catch you next time. Please like and subscribe.
Peace, guys. Enjoy.